guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Ricky D here. As you can see on my screen currently, this is a put option that I get from Moderna. You know that stock lately. It's a pharmaceutical company. They just complete their phase 1 trial, and they're probably in phase 2 right now. But with all the vitality going on in this stock, it's good to put like put option against it, to be honest with you, because I bought a put option for $75. It was trading currently at was $61 a day. And then it went all the way down before my expiration date, all the way to $47. So roughly I made over 2,121 or something like that on this little option put option trade that I made, and that was my first put option trade. And also that very same day, I also I made a call option for Delta 2. So that's how I get my total of $2,100. It was quick money. It's pretty much 2 days later, I have the option calls, and pretty much it was like, I woke up the next day and I'm like, okay, let me keep it overnight. I'm not gonna sell it yet. And God forbid, I didn't sell it, and it keep tanking. While Moderna was tanking, Delta was climbing. So pretty much I was making money at the same time. And at the end of the trading day, I end up selling all these options. And as you could see on my screen currently, like I say, Moderna, I started at $50 and I mean $61, and it went all the way down to 50. So as you see on my screen, it was currently my profit was like 587. So, and as you could see, the my account right now by all the put option that I have. But guys, this is how you do it. You pick a stock that that's go up and go down. Even like Tesla, that's like you can make a lot of money off doing put option, basically without knowing anything whatsoever. You just think just like Robinhood. It show you, give you a basic layout. It tell you everything. You could pretty much learn it there. Say if you want the stock to go up, it show you what you should expect and how much money you could make and stuff like that. So try it out. All right, guys. As we get towards the end of the video, if you're new to the channel, please hit that like button. It really helped me out, and please subscribe. I post video every week. So whether you like car review, flying, planes, on investment, I post every week. Also, if you're new to investment, I have a link below with Robinhood. Please sign up. If you sign up, you get one free stock. I get one free stock. So it's a both win-win situation for both of us. All right. Until next time, we are.